For this video, we're going to look at setting up your image for the word search. So you can follow the tasks here, or you can just follow along with the video real fast. Photography word search, you're going to want to click that and download that image. Once it is downloaded, you can pull up Photoshop or you can pull up Photopea. Either one will work the same exact way. So here's our basic document. What we're going to do, first thing, we're going to go in and we are going to turn on a brand new layer, or we're going to create a brand new layer. And this is where everything is going to exist for our assignment. You can see we've got all of our words over here, and we're going to start searching for those. So it's going to be a repetitive process. The first thing we're going to do is grab the marquee tool. We'll want the rectangular marquee tool, and if you are using Photopea, it'll probably just be that picture. So let's see if we can find one of these words. One of the first ones that I see is pixel. So right here, we're just going to click and drag, and we've got this space selected right here. We're going to go in and grab our color. You could switch to your brush, doesn't really matter, but I'm going to grab a nice yellow, kind of like we're highlighting. You can grab whatever color you want, but essentially something that's bright would be nice. Then we're going to adjust our opacity. So our opacity right here, we're going to adjust that opacity down to about 30%. And you can either click off of the space or hit enter and it will accept that. And then we're just going to click and drag. And if you keep going back and forth, once you've held on to that click, it should be okay. Now, if you click again and keep going, it's going to highlight it too much. So I just want one single little swoosh there and you'll be good. In order to say that we're done, we'll hit Command D on a Mac or Control D on a PC. And then we just need to find another word. So we'll just grab our marquee tool, you search around through the imagery here and see if you can find another word. So once you find potentially another word, you would just, again, click. There we go. And let go. Grab your brush. And there is composition for us. Command or Control D will deselect. And all of that material is just here. Okay, it's right here on our layer 1. Once you complete the assignment, don't forget, save that final assignment. Save that as a JPEG for us. So we're going to switch from a Photoshop file to a JPEG. If you are using Photopea, you should know by now it's just file and export, and then we'll do the same thing and that will be good. I don't want Photoshop files or PSD files.